Tybee Island Fire Department's Insurance Services Office rating just went down. WSCV's Sarah Smith spoke to the mayor about what this means for people who live there and the importance of investing in the agency.
The Tybee Island Fire Department has come a long way. It was only a few years ago that it was a volunteer staff, but now the city is investing in it and they're seeing the benefits with a lower ISO rating. The Insurance Services Office looks at a number of factors to determine a department's ISO rating, which ranges from 1 to 10, the lower the better. Tybee Fire's rating just dropped from 4 to 3. Mayor West says with that means the chances of something bad happening decreases, theoretically leading to home insurance going down over time. West says the fire department has come a long way in the past few years from a volunteer staff.
We're so close to the metropolis of Savannah, and all the resources that they have, but we're also, kind of secluded out here on the ocean and 12, 15 miles from services, and so it's very important that we have good good resources for our fire department, our police. We have good water service, and we have all those things.
The city just approved a 20% budget increase for the department. That's $500,000. An investment, he says, is necessary.
It's a little bit of a challenge, whenever there's requests for budget increases, because there's a lot of demand for budget items in a small town like ours, and not a lot of resources for income. So we have to look very carefully at allowing those. But in this particular case, it's paid off because we've reduced our ISO and should have better response times, safer buildings, better experiences for our residents here and our visitors.
West says safety is a priority for the city right now, with Highway 80 being the only way on and off the island.
A big concern of ours is when we do need to get off the island, we don't have hospitals, we don't have a doctor out here, we don't even have like a nurse practitioner or anything like that. So it is important that we be able to access Highway 80, to get people off the island to get care.
Mayor West says if you live on the island, make sure to contact your homeowner's insurance and let them know about the ISO rating change to see if your insurance could drop. Reporting on Tybee Island, Sarah Smith, WSCV News 3, on your side.